जब मैं छोटी थी मैं आई वुड गो डोर टू डोर सेलिंग समथिंग। सब लोग मुझे नफरत करते थे। जो भी कर सकती थी पैसे कमाने के लिए मैं वो करती थी। एट very young age, like इतना पैसा नहीं मिलता था. After less than 6 months later, my father found out he had cancer. When I met Daniel, my mother just passed away. She was passing away. You know, I think the biggest life-changing things that happened in my life were my parents passing away, and that scar will always be there. The day that you find out you're having a baby, in your mind you're a mother. The second that you hold your baby, you're a mother until the day that you die. In America, आपको पता है कि आप कितने boys है embryos and how many girls. So हमारे पास 4 girls थे and 2 boys. And हमने कोशिश की that we would have a little girl first. So वो चारों के eggs didn't work out.
सनी लियोनी के बारे में तो आपने बहुत सारी खबरें पढ़ी होंगी और उनको कई सालों से देख भी रहे होंगे, लेकिन सनी लियोनी निजी ज़िंदगी में कैसी हैं, उनका उनके बच्चों की तरफ कैसा लगाव है
और उनकी जो प्रोफेशनल लाइफ है वो एज अ वुमेन कैसी हैं, और बचपन से जो लाइफ में बैरियर्स रहे हैं उसको उन्होंने कितनी खूबसूरती से पार किया है, ये आप इस पॉडकास्ट में सुनेंगे।
और ख़ास तौर पे उन्होंने अपने हेटर्स और लवर्स को क्या कहा है, ये सारी चीज़ें आपको मिलेंगी इस पॉडकास्ट में। एक इंसान की लाइफ में कितनी ही मुश्किलें आ सकती हैं, कितनी दिक्कतें आ सकती हैं, लेकिन इन सबको कोई अगर पार करके आगे बढ़ा है तो वो है सनी लियोनी। आपको बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
थैंक यू।
सबसे पहले मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि आपकी ज़िंदगी का सबसे टफेस्ट पार्ट क्या रहा?
I don't know. Toughest part, I mean, कुछ चीज़ें होते that tough होते, लेकिन you work past it. So I don't think like ऐसा कुछ है that इतना tough था that you can't get past it. I don't even know how to answer. कहाँ शुरू करूँ?
बट मैम डेफिनेटली आपकी लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा बैरियर्स रहे होंगे। आपको अगर हम एनालाइज करें तो ये पूरी केस स्टडी हो सकती है। सो ये जो बैरियर्स रहे हैं बचपन से, इसके बारे में आप कुछ बताइए।
I think barriers हो सकते शायद जब मैं यहाँ आई थी मुझे पता नहीं था इंडस्ट्री कैसा, like how does it work, लोग कैसे होते, प्रोडक्शन कैसा होता है, एक्टिंग कैसा होता है, डांसिंग, ऑल दीज डिफरेंट थिंग्स। सो ये सब चीज़ें सीखना आई वुडंट से दैट बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट था, लेकिन हाउ टू फंक्शन इन द एंटायरिटी ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट, लाइक लोग कैसे होते, पीपल हैव डिफरेंट रिएक्शंस, एंड आई थिंक beginning में I call it Bollywood boot camp and I went through boot camp and बहुत सारे चीज़ें सीखे मैंने, and
लेकिन सनी लियोनी ने अपने आप को बदल दिया।
I don't know if it's बदल दिया. I think it's just growing and evolving with life and your circumstances. अगर एक दरवाज़ा बंद होता दूसरा भी है that will open. And I believe in that. If somebody is not going to let you in this way, then you figure out how to make your way to, your goals.
Okay, and ये चीज़ें आपने मैनिफेस्ट की थी, मतलब आप मैनिफेस्टेशन में बिलीव रखती हैं?
I think like some of it's manifestation, लेकिन दूसरा चीज़ है reality. आपकी reality क्या है, आपकी प्लेट में क्या है, सिर्फ वो चीज़ें से आप चूज़ कर सकते हैं कि क्या क्या करना है। एंड लाइक आई सेड, अगर एक दरवाज़ा बंद होता है देन दूसरा भी खोल सकता है। एंड इफ इट wasn't one person helping us, then we found a different way. So ये साथ में मेरे पति Daniel and I, we did this together, and there were lots of hurdles and lots of different things that have come up. अभी भी होते, but there's nothing, some things you can't help it and you just have to move on.
सबसे अच्छी चीज़ क्या आपने मैनिफेस्ट की?
I think that would have to be मेरे बच्चे। वो मैनिफेस्ट किया, प्रे किया, सब चीज़ें की है to hopefully have a family one day, and भगवान ने हमारी सुन ली और 3 बच्चे सेम टाइम पे दिया। वो सिर्फ that can only be God's plan, क्योंकि वो प्लान मेरा नहीं था, but it's worked out for the best because there are 3 beautiful children.
बहुत क्यूट बच्चे हैं आपकी, और लगातार मीडिया और देश के लोग उससे बातचीत भी करते हैं। जो आपने एक आपकी जो बेटी है आपने उसको अडॉप्ट किया, काफ़ी क्यूट है, उसके बारे में आपने कैसे सोचा कि मुझे वो अडॉप्ट करनी चाहिए, मेरे घर में भी एक बेटी होनी चाहिए?
Um, Daniel or myself, हम चाहते थे that we wanted a little girl. And America में हम surrogacy भी उस same time पे कर रहे थे. And so in America आपको पता है कि आप कितने boys हैं embryos and how many girls. So हमारे पास 4 girls थे and 2 boys. And हमने कोशिश की that we would have a little girl first. So वो चारों के eggs didn't work out at all. It didn't happen. So then there were 2 boys left. And उस same time पे हमने adoption के papers ये सब चीजें यहाँ शुरू किया था. And then one day I was working in Splitsvilla during a dumping ground.
जी।
And मेरा assistant यहाँ से आया और phone मुझे दिया. And Daniel ने बोला कि we've been matched with a little girl. So वो सपना जो हमको चाहिए था, she was there. And then at the same time, we were going to go through with our surrogacy. The appointment was then, on the same day. So then that's how we got 3. There were 2 boys left and Nisha was there. So I think Nisha हमारी destiny में थी, क्योंकि वो जो 4 girls that were girl embryos, that didn't work out. भगवान ने बोला कि ये नहीं होगा. And your little girl is waiting for you and her name is Nisha.
ओके, सो बीइंग मदर ऑफ 3, मदरहुड जो एक फेज होता है वो एक वुमेन को किस वे में चेंज करता है?
Every way. Just ask your own mother. I'm sure she'll tell you. I think that it's not a phase. The day that you find out you're having a baby in your mind, you're a mother. The second that you hold your baby, you're a mother until, the day that you die, So it's not a phase. It's something that's there to stay. End nahi hota hai, being a mother. And I think you become more patient, more loving. Your life, your heart gets filled with so much love. And nothing can replace the love you have for your child.
आपकी इमोशनल स्कार्स क्या रहे लाइफ में?
बहुत सारे. कहाँ शुरू करो?
जहाँ से आप बताना चाहें.
No, I think that हर family में और हर इंसान में ऐसी चीजें होते हैं जो life changing होते हैं, जो एक, what is it, निशान or a scar, you get a scar from it. But I think that वो जो भी experience है, you learn something from it. I think the biggest life changing things that happened in my life were my parents passing away. And that scar will always be there. Nothing I can do about it. Kuch nahi kar sakti hu. They're gone. But I know that I can live my life. What I learned from that experience was that I would want to be the healthiest mother, keeping myself healthy, exercising, eating well, to the best of my ability. So जो भी मैं कर सकती हूँ to be healthy मेरे बच्चों के लिए, मैं वो ही करूँगी. And that's what I learned from my parents because they died too young from, various reasons. So.
एंड आप ज़्यादा क्लोज किससे थे, अपने फादर से या अपने मदर से?
I was definitely daddy's little girl. बहुत डांट मिलती थी मम्मी से.
किस बात पर डांट मिलती थी?
I mean everything, you name it.
जैसे कि आपकी शरारतें या कुछ और?
Everything I did was wrong.
तो ऐसा होता है कि यूजुअली जो डॉटर्स होती हैं तो एक अनफुलफिल्ड लव होता है जो अगर फादर से नहीं मिलता तो वो अपने पार्टनर्स में ढूंढती हैं. तो ऐसा कुछ आपके लाइफ में रहा है दैट सर्टन पार्ट ऑफ यू जो शायद फादर के थ्रू नहीं मिला या वो डैनियल ने फुलफिल किया, समथिंग लाइक दैट?
I think that husband's roles and, your father's roles are completely different. Psychologically speaking, if you are a child that loses their family member at a very come age ka, then yeah, of course, you're always looking for a father figure or mother figure in your life. Like my parents died when they were, I was already an adult. So उनके life में जब मैं छोटी थी सब चीज़ें किया हमारे साथ. You know, like they taught us everything, how to ride a bike, how to do so many different things, how to be hardworking and be honest. And ये सब चीजें दोनों ने सिखाया था. So in that way, I don't think उसमें कुछ कमी थी. Of course, when you meet, you know, your husband or your wife, you look at qualities. शायद मेरे मम्मी और पापा के अंदर थे. You know, like you want those qualities, जो अच्छे qualities थे that you remember of your parents. So of course you want someone hardworking, who's honest, and all these different things. So I think it all comes together, but not that I'm not looking for any fatherly figure in my husband at all. I like looking at him like he's, you know, hot young man.
आपका चाइल्डहुड का सर, आप पढ़ाई में कैसी थी, स्पोर्ट्स में कैसी थी?
मैं स्पोर्ट्स में बहुत अच्छी थी, पढ़ाई में मैं अच्छी नहीं थी. I was C student, and I, you know, मेरे लिए जो चीज़ें interesting थे was like art and sports, and we were first generation family in Canada, so that meant that मम्मी पापा ज़्यादा काम करते थे than taking care of मेरी पढ़ाई. And my brother was very smart, so उसके लिए easy था, लेकिन मेरे लिए easy नहीं था. But they had to work versus doing my homework. And so, I don't know, I passed, so that's all that matters. But now, look at me, everything is absolutely the way it should be.
Okay.
पैसा कमा सकती थी छोटे एज में.
तो ऐसा पैसों को लेकर ऐसा पहले से मैनिफेस्टेशन था या कोई एक आइडियल मेट्रिक था कि यू नो दीज आर सम नंबर्स जो मैं अपने लाइफ में एस्पायर कर रही हूँ या समथिंग?
I don't think numbers was ever the manifestation. Manifestation शायद ये होगा that I'll own my own business one day.
Okay.
And that will definitely happen. जब मैं छोटी थी, I would go door to door selling something. सब लोग मुझे नफरत करते थे. अभी वापस आ गई. Or I would shovel snow or build a lemonade stand, or you know, जो भी कर सकती थी पैसे कमाने के लिए मैं वो करती थी. At a very young age, like 7, 8 years old. इतना पैसा नहीं मिलता था, but I got enough money for a chocolate bar or candy. But at a very young age, I realized that if I work hard, I can make money, and I can do what I want with it.
सेल्फ इंडिपेंडेंट शुरू से ही थी आप?
Yeah, so that's one thing that मम्मी पापा हमेशा बोलते थे, शायद क्योंकि यहाँ से आए थे, and हमेशा बोलते थे, especially to, you know, because I'm a girl, that आपको independent बनना है. आपको कोई option नहीं है. You have to be independent. You cannot count on anyone. And I think that उनके backgrounds, my father's from Chandigarh, my mother's from Himachal, Nahan, and I think the environment that they grew up in is that they might have seen a lot of dependencies from, you know, like a woman has to have a lot of dependencies on a man, especially back then in the 70s. So they would always say you have to be independent. So वो चीज़, I think at least एक बार दिन में बोलते थे, and it stuck.
क्या ये चीज़ें आप अपने बच्चों को भी बोलते हैं?
Absolutely. आज के ज़माने में it's a little bit difficult. I think kids are pampered a little bit more now. But I do want my kids to learn independence. I want them to be honest, hardworking people. And when they're old enough, I have no problems with them doing volunteer work somewhere, or, you know, working, I don't know, anywhere. You can go work at McDonald's. I don't care, but do something. They should have those life experiences जो मैंने सीखा है, जो Daniel ने सीखा है about hard work.
डैनियल से पहली बार कब मिले?
Oh, I met him in Las Vegas 16 years ago.
And what was something that you were aspiring in a husband, और वो कैसे लगा?
उसी time पे I wanted nothing to do with him. I wasn't even thinking about marriage. I was like, who's this guy? I don't want to see him. I don't want to date him. He's friends with somebody I don't like. But, you know, he was very persistent, very sweet, he was a gentleman, and then we just started talking.
बट ऐसा कुछ हस्बैंड मटेरियल होता है जो हर लड़की एस्पायर करती है कि ये कुछ ग्रीन फ्लैग्स हैं जो होने चाहिए मेरे पार्टनर में?
I think सबसे बड़ा green flag when When I met Daniel, my mother just passed away. She's passing away. So I met him in January. My mother passed in March. So us short time mein, so something unimaginable happened in my life. And so he was there to just pick up those pieces. And shortly after, less than 6 months later, my father found out he had cancer. And he was also there to pick up those pieces. And not only for myself, but for my brother, because it was just my brother and I. And he was there to pick up all those pieces. And I think that it's one thing when you meet somebody who's there for all the fun times. Let's go party, let's go to dinner, let's do this, let's just travel, all ye sab cheezein. But I think it's another when you meet somebody who is there for you on such a higher level that if the worst things in your life can happen and they can hold you at night and tell you it's going to be okay and still stick by your side is something very special.
मतलब हर मुसीबत से आपको डैनियल ने बाहर निकाला.
He's an angel. I say it all the time. He saved my life. He's an
आपकी
angel.
सक्सेस का एक बहुत बड़ा सपोर्ट
Absolutely. This whole office is, his hard work. And everything that you see, all my success is his hard work. And, we have an amazing team and a lot of amazing people who work for us. But he's the brainchild. He's the one, that's steering the ship.
So it's usually how people say that एक successful आदमी के पीछे एक lady का हाथ होता है.
Yeah.
So do you say that for your success, it's Daniel behind?
I definitely believe that he's the reason I get to be me. So without him, I don't think that we would have achieved nearly as much as we have.
रईस जो सॉन्ग था लैला में लैला, ये आपको कैसे अप्रोच हुआ?
I just got a call one day saying, do you want to be part of the song? So then men were like, yes, of course. This would be amazing. It's nice simple tha. So it was such an amazing moment उस time पे that just extreme, मुझे actually यकीन नहीं हो रहा था. So जब तक मैं set पे नहीं थी, I was like, they could say no anytime. पूरे rehearsals किए थे. We did outfit trials. We've done test looks, all these different things. उसके बाद भी ऐसा यकीन नहीं होता है that you're going to do something so big. So until I was on set in the first shot, then I said, okay, they're not going to replace me now.
So was it because of Shah Rukh Khan आप सोच रहे थे कि ये believe नहीं होगा?
Yeah, of course. I mean, anybody out there would want to work with him and to be a part of any of his film.
शाहरुख के साथ काम करने का कैसा आपको एक्सपीरियंस रहा? कुछ ऐसे मूवमेंट?
It was very nerve-wracking. I was very nervous, but also very excited. It was such a proud moment for myself and my team to be able to work with him. And he is so nice, so generous, so nice, so kind, understanding. So it was a great experience.
And usually a lot of women aspire Shah Rukh Khan. And it's just, he's the perfect man.
I don't think it's just women. I think it's Nani, Nanu, Auntie, Uncle, Chachu, Chachi.
Everyone, but
Boys, girls, little boys, little girls.
शाह रुख खान पे एक पूरी केस स्टडी बनी है. There are a lot of books जो उन पे पब्लिश हुई हैं जो उनके पर्सनालिटी को एनालाइज करती हैं. डेफिनेटली उनकी फ़ैन फॉलोइंग बहुत तगड़ी है ही है. बट आई वॉन्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि वुमेन इतना क्यों एडमायर करती हैं शाहरुख खान को. लाइक व्हाट समथिंग जो शाहरुख खान की फ़ैन फॉलोइंग है अमॉन्ग वुमेन वो इतनी तगड़ी है?
You know, when you look at somebody's success, they didn't get to that level without being good human beings, being kind to people, or working really hard. And I think when you get to that level, your kindness just shines. And I think that is something that does get you to the next level, which is great.
बॉलीवुड में क्या कभी आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ कि किसी एक्टर ने या किसी एक्ट्रेस ने आपके साथ काम करने से मना कर दिया?
So many people.
क्या लगता है
I don't even know where to begin. I don't know. It's okay. It doesn't bother me. Like,
कभी बुरा लगता है या आप उसके बारे में कभी सोचते हैं ऐसा कुछ?
No, not really. I think there have been moments, where you're like, all right, fine, it doesn't matter. This is where I said one door closes, another one opens. And lots of those happen. And it doesn't necessarily hurt my feelings. I'm on my own path. I'm on my own trajectory. And I love what I do. I can look at myself in the mirror and feel proud. I don't feel bad about my choices, where I can't say that about everybody else out there. You know, people make different sacrifices or they do different things to get to where they are. Where I think maybe my pace is a little slower, but I'm happy with where I am in life.
एंड ये यूजुअली जो हैप्पीनेस है ये आता कहाँ से, ये जो आप सेल्फ वर्थ डिफाइन करते हैं ये कहाँ से आता है?
I think जब आप एक बिजनेस चलाते हो, when you have your own business, अगर आप वो चीज़ इंटेग्रिटी के साथ, truth के साथ, responsibility for yourself and for the others around you, when you can do these things and at the same time be successful, then of course it brings you happiness. I don't feel bad at night. I feel great. You have to do जो आपको करना है वो ही चीज़ करना चाहिए. And whatever makes you happy, find those things that make you happy. I know like कुछ लोगों के पास इतना time नहीं होता है. Like I don't have a lot of time either. But if you don't have a lot of time, try and निकालो that 1 hour, you know, for yourself in the week or, you know, whatever it is that makes you happy, whether it's going to the gym, and tell yourself when you go to the gym, I deserve this 1 hour.
क्या करते हैं आप इस खाली टाइम में, ये जानना चाहता हूँ मैं.
I do all sorts of stuff.
जैसे कि
Like I'll either go to the gym or I read or I do art or I spend a lot of time with my kids, but when I'm not, I catch up on those things that I like doing.
इतनी सारे आपको हेट एंड लव दोनों तरफ से मिलता है, लेकिन आप हेट से कैसे आप ओवर पाती हैं? आपके माइंड में ऐसा क्या चलता है कि आप इतना पॉजिटिव रह लेती हैं? क्योंकि मैं भी पिछले 10-15 सालों से आपको देख रहा हूँ. कभी कोई आपको अच्छा बोलता है, कुछ लोग बुरा बोलते हैं, लेकिन आप इन सब से कैसे उबर जाते हैं? क्योंकि
मैं वो लोग को सुनते नहीं. And then at the same time, I'm not trying to control people's emotions. जो भी बोलना बोल दो. So with people out there saying bad things, you know, I can't control. वो चीजें मैं control नहीं कर सकती. जो भी बोलना बोल दो. It doesn't bother me. It doesn't affect me at all. You're not my friend. I don't know you. I don't know your life situations. I think that sometimes when people you know or people you're close with, when they say something negative, I think that hurts. But as far as fans go, I have more fans that shower me with love than hate, and that's what matters most.
आप इतने टाइम से इंडिया में रह रहे हैं, आपने इंडियन सिटीजनशिप लेने का अभी तक क्यों नहीं सोचा है?
I have OCI. I'm an overseas citizen of India.
ओके. मुंबई में कहाँ जाना आपको अच्छा लगता है, या देश के किसी और हिस्से में?
In India or in
India.
In India, I love going up north. I love going to Kerala. Munnar is like so beautiful. I also like I like most of the cities that I go to. There's always something different happening in every city, from how they dress to how they act to the food. So that's always exciting.
मुंबई में कहाँ खाना खाने के लिए, कुछ पीने के लिए जाने का कभी मन होता हो तो कौन सी जगह?
जैसे वड़ा पाव या पानी पूरी है.
Oh, there was one place in Juhu where I used to walk, and he used to make pani puri. I would walk with my kids there too. I don't know I think it was Jackie's or somebody, right? See, look, they're all smiling. So yeah, that was nice.
कभी हेल्पलेसनेस फील किया कि कभी आप लगा कि अब मेरे साथ कोई नहीं है, मैं क्या करूँ, कैसे करूँ?
I don't think I've ever felt like I don't have help. I think that everybody has moments of feeling lonely. But I've always had a really good team around. When it comes to work, I have an amazing team around me. They all work really hard, and they all let me do what I want to do and things that I love to do. So I don't think professionally that I ever feel like helpless.
Do you listen to Diljit Dosanjh?
Yeah, not often, but I do.
Okay. So कोई उनका एक फेवरेट गाना?
No. This I'm very bad at. This is a no question.
बट व्हाई डू यू थिंक इतना ज़्यादा एक मतलब ऑन अ वेरी शॉर्ट पीरियड अगर हम देखेंगे 3-4 सालों में दिलजीत दोसांझ इज़ एन इमोशन, तो व्हाई डू यू थिंक इज सडनली, आई मीन ऑब्वियसली बहुत सी एक हार्ड वर्क उनकी जर्नी रही है, बट 3-4 साल से दिस इज जस्ट क्रेजी, सो व्हाई डू यू थिंक लोग इतना कनेक्ट कर पाते हैं उनसे?
I think it's probably his destiny. You know, I think that hard work is one thing, you have to work really hard, and other is just what your destiny is supposed to be. You know, and he didn't get to where he is without eating the dirt off the floor first. So I'm sure. I don't know him. I know him like very briefly, but I don't know him on like a very personal level where I would know what his shortcomings are in life. So I think that he's probably eaten a lot of dirt to get to where he is, and he should be proud of where he's come.
बिग बॉस के बारे में बातचीत करें, जब आप बिग बॉस में आई थी तो पूरे देश भर में सनी बिग बॉस, सनी लियोन बिग बॉस, आज बिग बॉस को आप कहाँ कैसे देखते हैं?
I think it's amazing. I love reality TV. So I think जो भी होता है reality television में मुझे तो मज़ा आता है देखने के लिए. And I think the world is hooked, just like all of India is hooked, just like I am hooked. And reality television में सब emotions बाहर आते हैं. जितना भी कोशिश करेंगे उसको hide करने का, उसको दबाने का, it doesn't matter, बाहर आ जाता है. Because you forget that यहाँ एक कैमरा, वहाँ एक कैमरा, आपके पूरे emotions face पे वो आ जाते. And I think, you know, when you're on a show like that, you're stuck. ये चारों walls में, you're stuck. No phones, no TV, no family, no bounce boards of your friends or people that you need to talk to. So जो भी emotions है, वो सब emotions ऐसे heightened हो जाते हैं.
तो ये स्क्रिप्टेड वगैरह नहीं रहता जैसे लोग परसीव करते हैं कि इसमें कुछ बताया जाता है कि ऐसा करो, ऐसा झगड़ा करो?
No, they don't do that. जब मैं थी, at least, like वो challenges शायद वो scripted है. Like आपको ये करना, then उसके बाद ये होगा, then ये होगा. But वो emotions scripted नहीं होते. I think as time has gone by, people have changed what they view as what reality television should be like. But what I always tell, like Splitsvilla में जब मैं contestants के साथ बात करती हूँ, I tell them अगर आप खुश हैं then be happy. You know, be super happy. अगर आप गुस्से में हैं then गुस्से में रहो. You know, so जो भी emotions है, at least express वो emotions क्या है. And you know, that's what people want to see. So if you have an opinion about something, बोल दो कि ये मेरा opinion है. किसी की वो don't think about दूसरा क्या सोचेगा वो opinion से. You know, I think as long as you're not being racial, you are not being misogynistic, or you are not hurting somebody, like physically, would be good. Then you should be able to voice your opinions, and that's what makes reality television so amazing.
बिग बॉस में सलमान खान के साथ का कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा?
Salman is amazing. Besides working, like I would see him on Big Boss show. Uske baad bhi, like as life has gone by, I've kept in touch with him, and he's always very sweet, and he's always very nice, and probably one of the nicest Bollywood celebrities that I've ever been able to keep in touch with.
एज ए वुमेन अपने आप को कैसे सिक्योर करते हैं?
क्या?
एज ए वुमेन
how do I make myself secure? I don't know. Tape लगाती हूँ. No, I'm just kidding.
बच्चों के साथ जब वो होती हैं तो आप क्या करते हैं? खेलना, उनको खिलाना, उनको कैसे मैनेज?
Yeah.
The work-life balance and
Yeah.
ये इम्पोर्टेंट है
because a lot of women actually want कि वो टाइम दे
जो आप भी
सकें.
घर पे है, ये इंटरव्यू शॉर्ट करना पड़ेगा. No, just kidding. But कोशिश करते हैं उसको बैलेंस करने का. And I think, you know, especially when I'm in Mumbai, I'm able to just kind of balance out some of that time. And when I'm home, I'm home. Like I'm not doing anything else. Unless there's work happening, then, you know, they know and they understand that mommy needs to work. So I keep my promises to the children. So अगर मैं promise करती तो हम ये चीज़ करेंगे, then हम वो ही करते. and there is no canceling. There's no changing your mind for work. And there's certain days where I tell Daniel, I don't care. You're not booking any work this day. We are going to spend time as a family. It's very important. Not uske baad or uske pehle. Usi din pe. Because then the day is gone. Right? So
बच्चों के प्रॉमिस को करेक्ट करना है, पूरा करना
exactly.
है.
Yes, exactly. And we just try and do it all. We try and be there for them.
आपकी अपकमिंग मूवीज कौन सी हैं, कुछ
I
बता
have a
सकें?
couple of South films that are coming out, and one of them is called Shiro, which is very exciting. I did all my own stunts in that film and learned all the dialogue in that film. So it was very.
Similar language, no.
That was it was in Tamil. Right, it's in Tamil. I'll ask.
स्टंट्स भी किए आपने उसमें?
Yeah.
किस तरीके के स्टंट्स थे?
They had one chair that I was tied to through some of the film, but it was a real solid wood chair. Both heavy tha until I, got out of it. But there were lots of different stunts and lots of different things.
तो भी चोट वोट लगी कि आप स्पोर्ट्स में?
Yeah, वो लोगों ने मुझे गिराया on the harness. One time I fell from like 3 feet down. That did not feel good, but गलती होती है, and we move on. I was fine. So then
आपका रोल क्या रहने वाला है इन मूवीज में?
it's a psychological thriller.
एंड यूजुअली ये कितना डिफरेंट है, क्योंकि आप बॉलीवुड में भी आपने काम किया है एंड देन दिस टॉलीवुड. सो दोनों का जो सिनेमा है वो कितना डिफरेंट है इन टर्म्स ऑफ द वर्किंग एनवायरनमेंट, क्योंकि वहाँ पे स्टार स्टडेड कल्चर बहुत है इन रिगार्ड्स टू मेल. तो हाउ हैव यू बीन डिफरेंट इन दोस?
It's a female-centric film, which is good for me.
ओके.
There is a male star in it, and he's absolutely amazing. But it's not. It's a psychological thriller, and I think people will enjoy it. It's more in a real space than people flying from one side to the other in the film, which is great to watch. But this is not that type of film. And I'm excited for people to watch this. And I did my dubbing for this film, and it's turned out really well.
We're really excited for that.
Yeah, same.
आप हिंदी कैसे अच्छी बोल रही हैं? कैसे सीखा आपने लगातार?
From GT Rather. From the people around me, जो मेरे आजू बाजू है. मैं कोशिश करती हूँ उसके साथ हिंदी बोलना. And I've been here for a very long time now. So थोड़ा तो सीखना पड़ेगा.
और डैनियल भी सीख रहे हैं आपके साथ?
डैनियल, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि डैनियल कुछ चीज़ें समझ आती है लेकिन बोलते नहीं है. So then मुझे भी थोड़ा सा ध्यान से बोलना. अगर मुझे कुछ बोलना है that's naughty about him, then I have to be careful.
और बच्चे भी हिंदी सीख रहे हैं?
Yes, Nisha reads and writes Hindi. Speaking, I think वो स्कूल में करती है लेकिन घर पे नहीं करती है. And then my sons, one of them speaks Hindi. So cute. ऐसे मस्ती मजाक में बोलता है. It's very cute.
पढ़ने में कौन होशियार है? वो ऐसा होता है कि कंपटीशन की आज ये आज वो?
I have 3 children, so हमेशा सब चीज़ों में competition होता है. But Nisha's been learning Hindi and Marathi for years now, so she speaks, reads, writes, all of it.
आपको आती है मराठी?
So no, I know Noku Noku, Hello Hello, Moshe, Ikere, Paije. That's it.
काफी सीख लिया.
जो भी घर पे बोलते हैं मैं वो ही सुनती हूँ.
बच्ची के साथ आपकी बॉन्डिंग कैसी है?
With Nisha, it's amazing, my bonding. She's really a superb, intelligent, lovely, sensitive young girl. And, she's extremely creative, which is very nice. And, I think the sky is the limit for Nisha.
So if there's something जो आप सिखाना चाहेंगे अपने बच्चों को फॉर द आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड, कुछ ऐसे रेड फ्लैग्स जो द मोमेंट वो अपने घर के बाहर कदम रखें तो ये चीज़ें जो हैं वो इतनी दुनिया इतनी बुरी है या इतनी अच्छी है, तो ये जो लेसन्स हैं वो क्या होंगे जो आपने अपने लाइफ में सीखे हैं?
I think like सबकी लाइफ में बुरी चीज़ें होंगे. I mean, they have to make mistakes to learn from those mistakes. But I think the biggest thing that जो Daniel और मैं हमेशा बोलते that is we want them to be good human beings. and be kind to people and don't steal, don't cheat, don't hurt people. So being a good human being is at the top of my list. मैं हमेशा बच्चे को बोलती हूँ, especially Nisha because she's a little older. मैं बोलती because she's very smart, like so smart. जो like in class हम एक बच्चा होता है जो सबसे स्मार्ट होता है and हम उसको we hate them because हमारे grades तो इतने अच्छे नहीं होते, उसका वो एक बार पढ़ती है वो सब चीजें समझ आती है. She's very, very smart. And so I always tell Nisha, I say, I don't care about your grades. जो भी आपके marks हैं, मुझे कोई like, I don't know how to say it. It doesn't matter to me what your grades are. What matters to me is if you're a good human being. Because I can help you with your studies, but I cannot help you be a good human being. I can teach you things about being a good human being, show you how I act, how Daniel acts, what acts of kindness हम कर सकते दूसरे लोगों के लिए. But लेकिन वो अंदर से आना चाहिए, right? So it's like it's a tough process of how do you raise a sensitive, loving, good human being, especially in today's world where they have just so many things at their disposal. And, trying to teach them these things is not always very easy.
आप पंजाब से आती हैं बेसिकली, तो पंजाब जाती हैं तो कैसा फील करते हैं?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा और अच्छा लगता है. And I'm going to Delhi, I think, in a week or so. And I love going up north.
क्या खाना पसंद है?
I mean, Tanya the other day, she brought me parante from home that were so yummy. And her mom had made that, what do you call white butter?
दही
मक्खन बनाया था. Then हमने परांठे खाए थे. It was very good.
आपने बनाना सीखा?
Yeah, I can make parathas.
बच्चे कभी कहते हैं कि मम्मी आज मेरे लिए यही बनना चाहिए.
मैं बनाती हूँ, सब चीजें बनाती हूँ. Indian खाना, I can make parathas, fine. But I would have to read a recipe on how to make dal, sabji, ये sabji. Same चीजें होते हैं ना?
हाँ.
सब
अच्छा, मसाले अभी भी समझ में नहीं आते.
No, I mean like same मसाला होता है सब सब्जी के लिए, right?
Okay.
It's not any different.
It is though. I mean, depends upon the substance.
For me, it looks the same.
Daniel help करते हैं आपकी cooking में?
नहीं, वो he's not allowed. सब चीजें जलाता है. It's very bad. और बच्चे को भी समझ आ गई that पापा को
किचन में एंटर नहीं होने देना.
नहीं, वो स्टोव को नहीं टच करना चाहता. He's not allowed to touch the stove.
आपके पास्ट को लेकर बहुत सारी बातें होती हैं. अगर मैं एक बहुत ऐसा सवाल करना चाहूँ, आपकी ज़िंदगी में अगर आप चाहें कि किसी एक चैप्टर को हटाना चाहूँ, तो कोई एक ऐसा चैप्टर है, कोई ऐसा एक मोमेंट?
No, I don't think so. I think that जो भी लाइफ में होता है, you learn something from it. Whether it was good, bad, very ugly. I think you learn from all these different things in life, and it really does shape who you are as a human being. अगर वो chapters हटाते, then who are you? Like how did you overcome these different obstacles in life? And it's only later on in life when you get older do you realize this is who I am, this is what my legacy is, this is how hard I've worked, and these are the things that I had to overcome, and see how successful things are. अगर वो hard times नहीं होते, then वो success भी नहीं होता है.
So you have no regrets in life?
No, I don't. No. Everything was like, everything happened for the reason it needed to happen. As young adults, we make choices in life that are good for us in that moment. We're not thinking 10 साल के बाद लोग क्या सोचेंगे. उसी time पे मुझे ये पता है that I need to either make money or I need to make these choices and I need to do this work and I need to get through my day. How am I going to feed my family or myself? And, later on in life, you evolve, you change. आपका सोच भी change होता है. आपके circumstances भी change होते हैं. Business change होता है. So many different things happen. But you had to start at step 1 to get to the last step.
हॉलीवुड से कभी ऑफर आया आपको?
Yeah, I like some stuff. Yeah, but I like it here.
बॉलीवुड ज़्यादा
I love India. India is my favorite place in the world.
पॉलिटिक्स में कोई रुचि है आपकी?
Here?
पॉलिटिक्स में कोई रुचि?
I mean, my घर में politics, I'm the president. But outside of the house, no, thank you.
बट फेवरेट पॉलिटिशियन कोई होगा
Oh, मैं हूँ मेरे घर में.
सनी लियोनी खुद
I'm, Sunny Leone, the president of the Weber house.
और स्पोर्ट्स में आपकी रुचि क्या क्या है, क्या खेलना पसंद रहा या अभी भी आप कभी मन होता है तो बच्चों के साथ खेलना पसंद करते हैं?
So हमारे घर में we play soccer, we play basketball, we play American baseball. We play like these types we haven't gotten into cricket yet. I think वो थोड़ा सा complicated है. At least no one Nasher के लिए अभी. They're still getting the fundamentals of passing a ball. So जब passing a ball हो जाता है, step 1, then we can move on to other things.
आप अपनी फिटनेस के लिए क्या क्या करती हैं, ये काफी लोग जानना चाहेंगे.
कोशिश करती हूँ अच्छा खाना खाओ. I think one of the biggest things is food, because what you're eating is definitely what is going to show on your face and your skin and your body. And try and be as active as possible, whether it's walking, even if it's just walking for 20 minutes, you still have to do something. And try and work out as much as possible.
And mental peace?
Mental peace तो कभी होता नहीं है.
मेडिटेशन वगैरह
अगर मुझे 5 मिनट मेडिटेशन के लिए मिलता है, then sure I'll go do it. But usually after 1 minute there's mama. So
3 बच्चों की जिम्मेदारी में.
Yeah, they're my mental peace. I look at them, I get a hug, I get a kiss, and then everything is worth it.
सनी लियोनी अपने आपको अगर व्यक्त करना चाहती हैं, बताना चाहते हैं, तो कौन सा एक शब्द?
डेफिनेशन.
Okay.
कोई एक लाइन, कोई एक शब्द.
Oh, okay.
In one word.
I think it would be just, I want to be known as a hard worker. That, we worked hard and, got success by working hard and being honest.
वो आज का कोई यूथ, उसके लिए आप कोई मैसेज देना चाहते हैं, वो किस तरीके से मेंटल और फिजिकली?
To all the youth out there, आपको काम करना पड़ेगा to make money. अगर काम नहीं करेंगे then पैसा नहीं आएगा. So you must work. कोई shortcuts नहीं होते लाइफ में, आपको करना पड़ेगा.
ओके, थैंक यू. तो ये थी सनी लियोनी हमारे साथ.